Hey guys, I'm Mike.
I'm Michelle, and this is Inflate the Night.
Today we're going to answer all your questions about our inflatable nightclubs. Let's go. Inflatable clubs let you bring an authentic nightclub experience directly to your backyard. It's a large, portable structure that can be used as a nightclub or party venue, and it's similar to a bounce house but without the air-filled floor. It can accommodate up to 40 guests and features Bluetooth speakers, laser lights, and a fog machine for a truly immersive atmosphere.
Our inflatable nightclubs can be used for birthdays, weddings, pool parties, barbecues, corporate events, or even movie nights with our movie night package. It can be used for any outdoor event to make your guests remember it for a lifetime.
Each rental comes equipped with large, high-powered Bluetooth speakers with LED lights, laser lights, and a fog machine with fog liquid. If you want to take your party to the next level, we offer add-ons such as red carpet, silent disco party, spinning 360 cameras, movie night packages, and more.
Our small nightclub fits about 15 to 20 guests. The medium nightclub fits about 20 to 25 guests, and our largest nightclub fits 20 to 40 guests.
Renting our inflatable nightclubs is easy. Just head to inflatethenight.com, select the nightclub size, rental duration, and add-ons, then submit your request. Our team will send an invoice to your email where you can make your deposit. The rest will be collected 3 days before your event.
After you book online, we will arrive at your location 1 hour before your booking time to set up the nightclub and add-ons. There is nothing you need to do but party the night away. Once your party is over, we come to your location to deflate the tent, uninstall any add-ons, and remove them from your property.
We service Charlotte, North Carolina, and all surrounding areas. For a complete list, visit our website, inflatethenight.com. These are just some answers to our most popular questions. For more, make sure to visit our FAQ page.
Are you ready to take your next event to the next level and make a lasting impression on your guests? Then book with Inflate the Night at inflatethenight.com.